Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So many of you know I've placed an order for a Tesla online. So today what I want to show you is behind the scene what happens after you place your order. So I purchased a Tesla for a certain price. We're going to be looking at and seeing together if the original price that I had paid for, if that's actually going to be the final price, right? If there's any hidden charges, if there's any surprises, the taxes, the fees, everything. I'm going to be showing you my entire screen. We're going to be jumping on my computer. I'm going to be showing you my entire screen and showing exactly what all those expenses are, and hopefully no surprises and no extra expenses. So, on this channel, we talk about a lot about finance. So we're going to be going over the entire finance for the Tesla. So if you're looking to purchase a Tesla maybe in the future, this will be very helpful for you. Or if you're just curious to see, what the price is, how much it costs, maybe if you want to purchase one in the future, make sure to stay till the end because I'm going to be documenting the entire process. So now let's jump on my computer and let's look at the pricing and the expenses together. Alright guys, so I just logged into my Tesla account. It says Bilal's Tesla. It's pretty cool. And then it says prepare for your delivery. So this is the process, right? It says next steps. Here's what to expect before delivery. Order. So this is a process, something that I've already done. Place your Tesla order. I've done that. Now I have to prepare for the delivery, payment. We're going to review this together, and finally the final step will be delivery. Take delivery. Okay, so we're going to be going through the step. That was the overview. So the first thing that they ask you to do here is that they ask you the delivery location. They give you a couple of places to choose where you want to pick up your Tesla, and so they give you options based on your location. So I've already done that here. Registration over here, they ask you for your driver license, so they ask you to take a picture of it, and so because they want to make sure that you have a valid driver license to be able to drive the car, so that's what they ask you here. They give you the model over here, your Model 3. So obviously if this was a different vehicle, it would say Model X, Model Y. Okay, the next step is they ask you if you have a trade-in vehicle. You can actually open this up, and are you planning to trade your current vehicle? You can say yes. If you have a vehicle, they'll give you a value, and then I don't have a vehicle, so I chose no. Over here they've given me the price that I'm going to be paying is $53,600, excludes tax, registration, discounts, and fees. The final price is actually here. So after the trade-in, you go into the section where it says payment method, and so if you choose the option of cash, car price is $54,880, so it jumped from here to here, and then amount due, the total amount is $57,977.05. So from 53 they moved up to 57, so almost $4,000. So tax, registration, and fees. So this includes taxes, fees, and payments. So you can click here and we'll look at the details of what they are, and it'll give us a breakdown. Okay, so price details. So the Model 3 at the time I purchased, it was $44,999. I purchased the 19-inch wheels for $2,000. This was the standard range plus rear wheel drive, $6,601. Okay, I didn't know that. I guess this is they're just adding this to this, so it was $50,000. With that, okay, and then the delivery final inspection fee was $1,280. Car price $54,880. Yeah, so this is what I remember. Okay, so this is the price, car price that I purchased, and now these are the additional charges that they're adding in, right? And this is going to bring the final price of the car. So let's go through it. So additional charges: Fed air conditioner tax. So this is for your AC. They charge you $100. Okay. Tire fee. I'm not sure why they're charging tire fee, but I guess $12. And then sales tax, $8,000. That is a lot. So yeah, that is a lot of money. So the total cost of the vehicle is actually $63,227.05. Okay. So when I placed an order online, I paid $250 to secure, my spot for this Tesla. And then this is where I live. It says additional credits. The government allows you gives you an incentive of buying an electric vehicle, because they want more people to buy electric vehicle because it's good for the environment. So they incentivize you to purchase electric vehicles by offering you a $5,000 rebate. So the total amount actually then comes out to $57,977.05. Okay, so that's with everything, all the taxes, all the fees, all the taxes, fees, registration, everything. The total price is almost $58,000. So initially on the original receipt, they had told me it was going to be 54,000, but they added another 4,000 in fees and taxes. So that's the price. This was okay. So I just showed you guys the price of purchasing this option of Tesla in cash. So let's look at the other two options. The other two options are lease and finance, and let's look at the numbers to see what the actual amount comes out to and which option could be the best for you. So for me, I'm going to be telling you at the end which one I decide to do at the end, and I'll be also explaining to you what is the strategy of doing that, and maybe it'll be very helpful for you. So make sure you keep watching. So now let's look at the option here for finance. So when you finance a car with Tesla, there are two options. There's the first one is lease, and the second one is finance. So a lease is you basically pay a monthly fee to Tesla, and at the end of the 4 years, you return the car back to Tesla. Tesla wants to keep the car. You don't have the right to be able to purchase a car if you choose the option of leasing. Now, we're going to be looking at the payments, which is actually cheaper, a lease or a finance, and then we're going to be going over and explaining the strategy, which one is the best option if you're looking for financial, savings, or if you're looking for more convenience, which one would be the best. A finance, you actually become the owner right away. First, you start off as a small owner, and then Tesla is the big owner, and then as you pay more, you become the bigger owner, and then Tesla becomes a smaller owner, and eventually goes away, and you get full ownership of the car and you finance. All right, so let's break down the numbers of a lease. Okay, so we're choosing the lease option here, and it says over here, no buyout option. Leasing will require you to return your car at the end of the term. Why is that? Tesla has a plan of making vehicles autonomous. They have a program where they want vehicles to be run by themselves, and they want to sell it as a service. It'll be cheaper for you to do Uber rather than owning the full car, right? Because you won't be paying for insurance, parking, no tickets, no speeding, nothing like that, right? No license registration. So that their plan for a lease is to, if you want to lease with them, then you have to return the car. So they chose $7,000 for a down payment, but let's bring that to zero and see how much the price comes out to. Oh, it went below here. So I'm just gonna highlight this and put to zero. All right, so monthly payment. So it comes out to $744.40 for a 48-month term. So 48 months is 4 years. So if let's say I wanted the car only for 2 years, let's see what happens to the payments. So this jumped up again for 10,000. So let's bring this to zero. Because who wants to pay that much money on down payment on a car? It's easy to not have to pay anything, right? But that means then you will have to pay $1,096.91 per month for a 24-year period. So we can see right away that it's cheaper if you actually get a longer term. The payments come down. So let me go ahead and switch that. They keep adding the down payment because they want people to make a down payment, so they make that automatic. So when you put it to again for 48 months, it comes out to $744.70. So 16,000 annual mileage. So let's bring this up. Let's see what happens. So it comes up a bit, just like a $50 more if you want to have more mileage. I would like to have that. If I were leasing the car, I would like to have more miles, just for safety, because I don't want to be penalized for driving extra. I don't think I would be doing that much actually, but it's just a peace of mind. So car price, same number here. Monthly payments to give you over here, amount due $0. Imagine that you can walk in the Tesla dealership and not pay a single dollar, and then they'll just give you a vehicle. So I guess the first payment will be due. Let's see when. Okay, let's go from the top. Okay, so we went over this, right? So this is a Model 3, gives you the breakdown. This is the price we've already seen before, $54,880. Estimate financing details. So your monthly is $793.76, 48 months, which is 4 years. Annual mileage is 25,000 kilometers. Sales tax, $103.38. Money factor, have no idea what that is. Cost over 48 months, $42,556.72. Wow. So they're saying, like, if you do this, right, if you pay them about $800 a month for 4 years, it's going to cost me, the person who's leasing this, $42,000. Wow, that is a lot of money. And so additional charges, PPSA fee, not sure what that is. They don't really explain what that is. They just keep it into initials, and they just charge you $49.50, I guess. Estimate down payment. I didn't say I was paying down payment. Why did they have that here? I'm not sure what this is. Like I said, they don't provide any explanation. Estimate first monthly payment. So that's going to be my first payment. The air AC tax fee, $100. Tire fee, $12. Sales tax, $573. So it's not as much as we saw in the cash option, where it was like $8,000. This is only $573.96. So my order deposit, and again the government incentive of $5,000. If I chose this option, then I would press continue. So amount due is $0. That's amazing. So you can walk into the dealership, you can say that you want the lease option, and right now at this moment, right, they would not charge you a single dollar. You can get a Tesla for 30 days for free and not have to worry about payment. That's amazing. In the cash option, we saw that if you are willing to get that car, you need to pay upfront some money. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you like going through the finances. And if you guys want more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to share with other friends who are looking for more finance about the Tesla and how much it costs. And guys, if you want more videos, I create a video every single week about about finance, about cars, about saving money, about investments. So if you want this free knowledge, make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.